Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn this image into this image. More or less, because now I reset the settings and I will do everything from the start. So I will start from cropping. I will set it to unconstrained so I can change the ratio. Okay. And now I would like to increase the Kelvin to make it warmer. Like this. I will decrease the highlights and for this image I found that I like when the shadows are deeper, because when shadows are opened it looks like this, which is not that great in this case in my opinion. And by the way, it was photo of Machapuchre, but it is very bad because it was covered with clouds. Anyway, back to editing. I like it when the shadows are darker on this image. Air was air was very hazy, so I will add the haze and clarity. I will increase it to around 15, 16. Now I add vignetting. Okay. Um, mm, I oh I add new field adjustment layer and use curves to add color grading to this image. So I go to blue tab and I add a lot of yellow like this. Maybe too much. Okay. Let's see, green, slightly down, and red. I will not move it. Okay. So the most important is blue, but also green a little bit down. Of course, it depends how you like this yellow, because it can be edited very easily. So when you select yellow here in color editor advanced, you can change its hue to more red or more green. So I like it like this. You can change saturation. Okay, but I will not change it. Like this is okay for me. I add new field adjustment layer. No, new empty adjustment layer. And now I use gradient because I want to add color contrast. So I want to have this part of the sky more blue. Okay, so the mask looks like this. And now I decrease kelvins. And saturation in this area. Okay. Okay, I will just have to delete this post in Photoshop, and I think the image will be ready. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.